welcome back. Thank you so much for being here. I am so excited for today's video, you guys. As you can see from the title, today I'm going to be telling you about the 5K giveaway. What? Yes, y'all, we finally did it. We hit 5,000 subscribers yesterday, August 21st, and I am just blown away. So I have been planning and thinking about this giveaway for a while because I wanted to do something different. And as you can see, it's the ultimate girls' night in. So what does that mean? I'm going to tell you. All right, so all the details. First, I'm gonna go over the rules. Super easy, super simple. Most of my giveaways, I try to keep that way. This giveaway is gonna run from today, the 22nd of August, until the 22nd of September, so for 1 month. And then on September 23rd, I will use a random comment picker to select a winner. I will pin that person's comment and respond letting them know that they have won, and they will have 48 hours to respond to me with their shipping information. Let me know, hey, yay, thank you. And I will confirm that they have followed the rules. I'll actually do that before I pin their comment and all of that. But if they do not get back to me within 48 hours, I will choose another winner. So again, this is gonna run from today, August 22nd through September 22nd. That is a Sunday. So 11:59 p.m. Eastern time. So on Monday, September 23rd, I will be choosing the winner using a random comment picker. So you will have to leave a comment. What you will have to leave in the comment, I will say a little bit later in the video. I want to tell you about what I think an ultimate girls' night in is and what the prize will be. So I wanted this to be a little bit different than any giveaway I've done before, or really any giveaway that I've seen before. So I was sitting, I've been thinking, and I was just like, I know what I want to do. So here is what it's gonna be. I actually don't have the items to show you. I'm going to tell you because I have them all in my cart online to order and ship directly to the winner after the contest. So these items are all brand new, being purchased specifically for this giveaway by myself. I do want to say that YouTube is not in any way affiliated or associated or liable for this giveaway. It again is hosted solely by myself. And it is just a way to give back and say thank you so much for your support and your encouragement and growing with me on this journey. You guys, I cannot tell you how much it means to me when I read your comments, when I can see the number of views on videos and I'm like, whoa, these many people are watching, and it's just amazing. And the connections I have formed with most of you, a lot of you, I truly treasure, and I just think that you are all absolutely fantastic, and thank you for being the best subscribers ever. So let's get into the actual contents or items in this giveaway. So like I said, this is for the ultimate girls' night in. So you're gonna wanna grab your bestie, you're gonna wanna find a Saturday night or whatever night works for you and have some girl time. So you will be receiving all 3 50 Shades of Grey movies. So you'll receive 50 Shades of Grey, 50 Shades, now I can't remember, 50 Shades Darker and 50 Shades Freed. So all 3, the complete trio of the 50 Shades of Grey movies. You will be receiving Love and Basketball. You will be receiving Steel Magnolias. Y'all know I had to put a Southern video in there. And to make it a little fun, you are also going to be receiving Bad Moms. These will all be on DVD because I do not know if the person that wins has a Blu-ray player, so these are all going to be DVDs. Now, what do you have normally when you have movies? Popcorn, right? So you're going to be receiving a 12-pack of the Orville Redenbacher movie theater butter popcorn. But you need something to put it in, right? So you're going to be receiving a cute, simple, goes with any decor. And I think everyone needs like a dedicated popcorn bowl. So you will be receiving a ceramic white large popcorn bowl that on the front of it says popcorn, just kind of raised up. It's not a color or anything. It's just kind of raised up in the white. So you'll be receiving that ceramic popcorn bowl. You will be receiving a 2-pound, or actually just over 2-pound bag of candy. And it's the Twix, Snickers, Milky Way, Three Musketeers, the mix. And like I said, it's just over 2 pounds, so you're set on chocolate. You will be receiving 2 stemless wine glasses. I'm not sending the wine, that part's on you, but I will send you the 2 stemless wine glasses. You will be receiving 2 fluffy little ribbon spa headbands, because you're going to be receiving 4 sheet masks. And these sheet masks that I have selected are some that I have tried and I really, really enjoy. They're the ones that look like little milk cartons. You will be receiving the coffee, the chocolate, the coconut, and the strawberry. And these are all chocolate milk, strawberry milk, coffee milk, coconut milk. They're all amazing. So you and your bestie will each have a fluffy headband to do your mask during your girls' night. You will also be receiving a manicure set. So a little manicure set with nail clippers and things like that, because you're going to be receiving a bottle of Essie nail polish. And I chose the shade Mrs. Always Right. And it is a beautiful mauve color. So going into fall, I thought it was gorgeous and it would flatter on most skin tones. So you can give each other, you guys can give each other pedicures or paint each other's nails, whatever you'd like to do. So that is the ultimate girls' night in. What do you guys think? It's so different than any giveaway that I've seen before. And I really want you guys, one of you and your bestie, to, or your husband or boyfriend, whoever you decide, to take a night and relax. Have that me time. I'm going to be giving the winner all of the items you need to do it. So do it. Take some me time, relax, enjoy yourself, kick back, watch some funny movies, some sappy movies. I've got love stories. It's kind of tried to cover the movies. 50 Shades of Grey is my favorite, so I had to throw those in. Like I said, I had to include Steel Magnolias because that is one of my favorite, and it's a Southern movie. And of course, Bad Moms is a hilarious movie. Most of us are mothers, so we can relate. And then Love and Basketball is just a tried and true for me. I just love that movie. So 6 DVDs, a 12-pack of popcorn, a ceramic popcorn bowl, the 2 stemless wine glasses, the over 2-pound bag of chocolates, the 2 fluffy headbands, the 4 sheet masks, the little manicure set, and the nail polish. But that's not all. Do you think popcorn and chocolate is gonna fill you up? No. So what I want you to do for your entry, so that I know that you want to be entered into this giveaway, is leave a comment down below telling me what pizza restaurant you prefer between Domino's, Pizza Hut, and Papa John's. Because I will also, like I said, all of this other stuff I have in a cart online that I will just be paying for and shipping directly to you. But I will also be mailing directly from me a $25 gift card to whichever pizza restaurant the winner said in their comment. So that way you can order pizza for your movie night and have everything you need. So that's what you need to do. So we're gonna go over the rules from start to finish. You must be subscribed. This is a way of me giving back and thanking you guys for your support. So that is obviously rule number one. You must be subscribed to my channel. Like this video. Leave the comment down below. Like I said, you can say whatever you want, but just do make sure that you at some point tell me what of those three are is your favorite pizza restaurant, so I know which gift card to purchase once I select the winner with the random comment picker. Now, you also need to have a US shipping address. I am planning very soon to open my giveaways internationally, but for now, this giveaway will be a US only giveaway. I don't care if you live outside of the US as long as you have a US shipping address that I can send the stuff to. And you must be over the age of 18 or have your parents' permission to enter. Excuse me. So again, you must be subscribed, like the video, US shipping address, over the age of 18 or have your parents' permission, and you must leave a comment down below telling me whatever you want to say, but also make sure you do include which of the three, Domino's, Papa John's, or Pizza Hut, is your favorite, so that if you are chosen, I know which gift card to purchase. So, what do you guys think? I seriously, I'm excited for this giveaway. I'm excited because it's 5,000. And you guys, I never thought I would hit 5,000. Seriously, never in my wildest dreams. And because of you guys, we're there. And I cannot thank you enough. And I wanted to do something different. I know that I normally do these giveaways with palettes and purses and jewelry and this and that. But I really think that having me time and taking time for yourself and spending it with someone that you love, whether it be your best friend, your husband, your boyfriend, whoever, is worth so much more than any eyeshadow palette or necklace could ever be. So I wanted to kind of curate, if you will. Oh, I forgot an item. Because this is ending September 22nd, the winner is being announced. I almost forgot to tell you one other item, and I've got it written right here. You will also be receiving a velvet plush blanket. So you will have a blanket to cozy up with while you watch your movies. Sorry, y'all. So that will also be included. So having the time to take care of yourself, and essentially that's what this is. It's me telling you guys, hey, thank you for what you do to help my channel. Now this is me telling you to sit back, relax, enjoy yourself, treat yourself, have some pizza, have some popcorn, have some chocolate, watch some movies, do a sheet mask, just enjoy yourself and spend time with someone that you love. So I hope that you guys think this giveaway is as amazing as I do. I'm super excited about this, and this probably is my favorite giveaway just because it is so different and so unique. Like I said, have not seen any other giveaways like this. Usually they're all pretty much beauty related. Now, I mean, there is the nail polish and the sheet mask, but for the most part, this is a treat yourself and, like I said, ultimate girls' night in. So definitely make sure you follow those rules, because I will be looking to make sure you are subscribed, to make sure that you have liked the video, to make sure if your comment is chosen by the random comment picker that you have said in the comment what pizza restaurant of those three, again, Domino's, Papa John's, or Pizza Hut, is your favorite, so I know which gift card to purchase. And again, a US shipping address, and be over the age of 18 or have a parent's permission. So let me know your thoughts down below. Make sure you follow the rules. I hope you guys are super pumped. I am, and again, thank you so very much for getting us to 5,000 subscribers. Over 5,000 subscribers, actually. You guys are phenomenal, and I love you. So I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of your Thursday, and I will talk with you guys on the next one. Bye.